Okay, question number 13. Astronomers don't always use fancy equipment to make their observations. Explain how you could determine the altitude of the moon, stars, or even a planet in the night sky. Okay, so 13. Astronomers estimate altitude or height in the sky by using a fist held at arm's length, with the thumb lying flat on the top of the fist. Okay, so like that. The height of four fingers and thumb in the fist counts as 10 degrees. So each finger would count as 2 degrees. To use this method, line up your fist with the horizon, then place one fist on top of the other until they are lined up with the moon, planet, or star. So we just stick our hand out, put our hand up, and then do a measurement. It's not deadly accurate, but it gives you a pretty good rough estimate. So that's very commonly used by astronomers. Okay, 14. Explain what happens during a lunar eclipse. Okay, so a lunar eclipse occurs when the moon passes into the shadow cast by Earth in space. It occurs at the full moon phase. B, for a solar eclipse, an eclipse of the sun occurs at the new moon phase when the moon passes between the sun and Earth and blocks the sun's light. During a total solar eclipse, the Earth, the moon, and the sun are exactly aligned. If you want to go back to page 255, there's some pretty good diagrams of it. Question number 15. How have meteors and asteroids affected the moon and its surface? If you go and just simply look at the moon at night, it's pretty easy to tell how they've affected it. The moon is covered with craters all over it. Within a lot of those craters, there's also other craters on top of them. And even craters that ended up connecting with each other. Now, the craters vary in size. Some are only like a few meters wide, so let's say about the size of a pickup truck, up to 1,000 kilometers wide. So 1,000 kilometers, that'd be roughly the distance from, let's say Regina to Banff, Alberta. Now, a couple of those craters are absolutely massive. They are so deep. On the dark side of the moon, so the side that we cannot see, there is actually a crater that is so deep that Mount Everest would actually fit into it. Okay, 16. What are the 8 planets that make up the solar system? Which are the inner planets and the outer planets? So we'll start with our inner planets. So we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And then for our outer planets, we have our gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, and then we have Neptune and Uranus. Oh, sorry, I think I messed those up, guys. It's actually goes Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.